Can a robot rendezvous a spacecraft in a Earth orbit? Can a robot rendezvous a spacecraft in a Mars orbit?
Can you?
Of course I can. I was planning to make a BP edit tutorial video, so since I was lazy to make that video, I have a crazy idea to make a video about me rendezvous and docking in Mars orbit. So let's start the video. So I'm gonna showcase my rocket for this video. Now let's launch it. Now we activate our engines using stages. Now we have to follow this guide to get in orbit. Since we are almost in suborbital, we have to separate it our solid rocket booster and abort launch system. Now we separate our core stage, because space engines were really efficient in space. Now let's time warp to the highest point of the trajectory. And now let's fly horizontally to get in orbit. Since we are already in orbit, we have to navigate to Mars and time warp to the transfer window. Since we are already in the transfer window, we will activate our engines prograde until we are in Mars transfer orbit. Since we are encountering the moon, I'm having a hard time navigating to Mars, so I will fix it at the transfer orbit. Now we are having an encounter to Mars, which means it would be easy to navigate. Now we are in transfer orbit of Mars, so we will start docking to our life support module. Now we will deploy our communication systems and solar arrays to get electricity and communications on Earth. These equipments is very important for Mars missions because IT will take 6 to 9 months. Now I'm gonna adjust the trajectory line near to Mars or above the spacecraft we are targeting. Since we are done adjusting our trajectory line, we have to time warp to the highest point of the trajectory line. As we entered Mars sphere influence, we have to activate our engines in the opposite direction to orbit. As we are done orbiting, we will tap navigate to the spacecraft we are going to rendezvous. Now we are gonna time warp to the transfer window. As we are in the transfer window, we have to deorbit until this guide turns to 0 meters per second. After we are done, we have to separate the bigger stage until our spacecraft will look like the Soyuz spacecraft. Now let's time warp to the nearest point to encounter the spacecraft or lowest part of the orbit. Now the hardest part of the mission is docking, which what are we doing right now? Now we finally dock to the space station. Part of the mission is re-entry to the Earth atmosphere. Now we have to apart from the space station and make sure it is a mile away from it for safety. Now let's navigate to Earth. And now time warp to the transfer window. And now, let's activate our engines to the direction we're pointing at. And again, until this guide turns to 0 meters per second. Now let's hit the Earth atmosphere whatever angle is this picture. Now let's time warp near Earth and prepare for re-entry. Deploy parachutes. Now we have a splashdown, and we completed our longest mission. I guess that's all for the video. And tomorrow, I'll post a bpedit.tutorial video. Okay guys, bye-bye anyways.